Hi, I'm Sarah and this is how to plan kitchen storage. Let's get into it. A well-organised kitchen starts with smart storage. Think about what you actually store in your kitchen. Not just pots and pans, but appliances, pantry items, containers, utensils, and cleaning items. Walk through your daily routine and make a list of all the essentials that need a proper home. Then divide your kitchen into zones. Think prep, cooking, cleaning, and storage. You want what you need where you need it, so keep your pots and pans near the cooktop, cutlery close to the dining area, and chopping boards near your prep bench. Planning your zones early helps you choose the right mix of drawers, shelves, and cabinets for each area. Drawers are a smart choice for lower cabinets. They make it easy to see and reach everything without crouching or rummaging. Use deep drawers for saucepans and bakeware, and shallow drawers for utensils and cutlery. Overhead cupboards work well for plates, glasses, and pantry items you don't need every day. Blind corners can easily become dead space, so look at adding pull-out carousels, shelves, or baskets to make the most of them. Tall pantry units with pull-out shelves or baskets are also great for keeping everything visible and easy to access. Think vertically, right up to the ceiling if you can. Overhead cabinets are ideal for bulk items or appliances you only use occasionally. Open shelves can work for cookbooks or vases. Just avoid placing them near the cooktop to prevent grease buildup. Now, don't forget the little things. Drawer organizers help keep utensils tidy, and in-cupboard bins keep rubbish and recycling out of sight. And if you've got an island bench, make it work harder. Add drawers, cupboards, or even shelving on both sides for extra storage. It's a key part of your kitchen and can offer more than just bench space. And that's it. Smart planning now means a more functional and clutter-free kitchen down the track. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your kitchen project with confidence.